Money that I give you every month that we agreed on, that I gave you every month.
I'm moving, so can you help with that?
I said I will think about it.
I didn't say you'll think about it. Sejong says I've got proof on my phone.
You are not my responsibility.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Silla. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. With the much anticipated reality show focusing on Big Brother Mzansi's former housemate Themba and his wife Mpho WA Badimo aired last week, trouble brewed as we saw Themba's baby mama Nqobile on the show, and she won't let go of Themba, you guys, as she revealed to him and the nation that Themba is entitled to take care of her and their kids for the rest of his life, you guys. She kind of threw shade at Mpho WA Badimo after the show premiered and wrote this on her Insta stories. Is that how Themba proposed your Okarankalomadi tattoos? And you guys, on the next episode, we saw a clip of her insinuating that Mpho WA Badimo might have bewitched Themba to keep him all to herself and away from his children and his baby mama Nqobile. Mpho posted this story on her Insta stories addressing the baby mama. She also went to Insta Live to address Nqobile and read her to fault, saying that she will one day or the other deal with her. Nqobile better pray that Mpho doesn't get a hold of her. So here's what Mpho WA Badimo wrote. Umuntu makafuna ukuphila aphilela abantwana bakhe kuzomsiza ukuthi ahlukane nami ngoba uzohamba estratini angaqokanga. I've been quiet enough, angithulisanga ubulima, angilweli indoda mina kodwa ngilwa nesifebe esinjwayela kabi. She also later went to Insta Live to address Nqobile, you guys. So without wasting your time, please check the rest of the video here. Subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will definitely see you on my next one.
I am just the highlight, the disrespect, the continuation of the disrespect, and I was like, you know what? I am tired of being quiet about this because it's going on forever and ever and ever and ever and ever. So I don't have time. I don't have time for shit. I don't have time for shit. If you know me, you know me. I don't have time for shit. So from the time I left the house, the very first day, I think I met Usisi. She came to me and she apologized. What she gave me, there were things that she was saying when I was in the house and after I won that I don't know about. But she wants to come and apologize. So when Ugarabo introduced her to me, well, apologizer at first. Sorry for what I said. So, I did not know. In my head, she's you know, I'm wishy-wishy. And I did not even care what she was apologizing for. And I did not have, also, Zilly, wait, I'm live. Oh, flip. And I did not actually have anything to say, around her. But I actually saw Maseng Tolifonia. No, this is what was going on and this is what was being said about me. But I just kept quiet. Ngati, you know what, baby girl, we keep it moving. So, guhambe. And then the disrespect continued. Not once. You understand? Am I saying bala? Too much. You come for me, jiggy. I was on a live with my data, with my phone, at a hotel. And utama kona lapo. And she got hold of that on the internet, got to what, and then she started coming for me. You understand? I was still together, guys. So she came for me. And then after she comes for me, then it carried on. And then after that, it was the, what was this? I'm trying to think. I was in it was she had a live that with what am I doing? Oh, she had a live with Themba's friend Udokta, and she disrespected me. All of these things, and I kept quiet. So I kept quiet, and I kept quiet, and I kept quiet because of Pelunyaka. And the disrespect has just not been online. It has been also privately, you know. But I still kept quiet because I was respecting the relationship I'm in, and I'm also respecting the people around me. Because if ngizovula umlomo lalela, so usisi, I have respected her many times when she has disrespected me, and in the name of a relationship enguyo, I do not have any whatsoever concern ukuthi yena no Themba bahlanganiswa yini, because I was not there when they met. Ngangingekho mabahlukana kulahlwana kwenziwani. And so why am I now suffering for izinto zakho ezenzakalayo? What is happening right now? It is not respect Themba all you want, disrespect Themba's family all you want, but not la. This is the bus stop. It ends here. Cause I don't take nonsense. I'm not disabled. I'm pregnant. So it's just that I was quiet. Now I'm choosing to say something. I'm saying something because ngiya dinega. You understand? Ngiya dinega. Akali ngayo ukuzala. And akali ngayo ukuzwana nendoda. Kade swakha amadoda swakhile bo. Sawakha sawashia. Uyayithola indoda ehleli nje kuthiwa lona uMr. Siwakhile ntombo, siwakhile amadoda. Kodwa you don't have to now bash me for your project or your investments kuThemba. Ngimthole umakhile nami ngiyaqhubeka la ushiywe khona. If ngimakhela umuye, then so be it. But don't fight me because of uThemba. That is very low. If ucabanga ukuthi wena ulow, mina ngiya underground lala. I go underground because angisabi muntu, and if it won't start ngawe, it will not start with anyone. Right? Ngihlalele, minding my own business, my own life, eating my own money, minding my pregnancy. Ngizodeleleka intombazana engilisela indoda. I would understand if maybe ulwela ukuthi mhlawumbe uyayifuna impilo yami, or mhlawumbe ufuna, I don't understand. Cause it's very shocking. Imagine baby daddy yami sengiyavuka ekseni. Yewena prioritize me. Angavuka agiye ukuthi hey bo. Kwenzakalani la? So I don't want nonsense because I don't have time for nonsense. This is I won't take back what I said yesterday because I meant every word. Begu righty. No one was saying, oh Nqobile, please think of Mpho. Oh my gosh, please protect your brand. Oh my gosh. No one was saying that. She was coming.